So we did burnouts with the van, and that was fun. We did donuts with the van, and that was fun. But we gotta do something better with our Ford van. What should we do, dude?
I mean, I like racing, so maybe we could take it to Barona to race.
I mean, that would be something different. I don't think anyone's ever taken a van to Barona to race it. We could maybe be the first, huh?
Yeah, we could break the world record. We could see how fast this old van goes.
We could see how fast this old van goes. That would be pretty rad. I think that's a great idea, dude. Let's have some fun. Today we are at the Barona Drag Strip in San Diego, California. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna be ridiculous because that's what we do. All right, so right now we are headed up to tech. We're gonna go tech this Ford van, make sure it's good, and go from there.
Next time I see this thing out here, here's what you're gonna do. Grab the windshield.
I will.
We're down the street, so
Okay.
it's right here. So,
Well, luckily we trailered it here.
over 6 10. And that's
My name's Ricky Bobby, and I'll drive anything you put me behind the wheel.
And we're looking. I'm going to tell you about our next Friday night race. It is a special race, and I'm going to tell you why, but not before BMW and the Honda.
All right, so here we go on our first pass. I got smoked by the transit. All right, first pass. I guess we're gonna go run this again. Thank you, sir.
Looks like fun to race.
I smoked him and now he wants that van. I'm gonna see if I can get him in this. I can't even read it. I don't have my glasses. How do we do? 1203. The windshield popped up on the Econoline.
Well, the window flew up and smashed it.
Steal It stickers again to the rescue. We're gonna try to do some pit maneuvering here and see what we can't fix.
Maybe we can find some black spray paint.
That means you leave when you see me leave. Oh, dude, I don't mind. You left way before me.
White van won twice.
And the Ford
You gotta give me
Mustang
some.
with
All right,
over
I'll let you go
90
some.
miles per hour.
Okay, we're gonna go again. beast. I mean, I've never ever done this before, and that was a blast. Had fun driving this thing. I mean, dude, she runs good. I mean, I think we were, hold on, we were doing, let's see, Jeremy Johnson, 42 miles an hour with 14 seconds, you know? She ain't no rocket ship, that's for sure. It's a van with a Baja Grocery Getter Lift kit on it. I mean, it's just plain fun. So far we've done burnouts, we've done donuts, and now we've drag raced it. Caden, what do you think? Was that awesome? Did you have fun?
I wish I've been in the car.
Yeah, you gotta be 16, we found out, for him to go in the car, so that sucks. But anyways, we have a ton of fun, so what are we gonna do next, guys? Dude, comment down below, let us know what you would like to see. Now we got drag racing checked off our bucket list on this awesome Rooted series. Eventually we're gonna find this place a home, something that it just loves doing. I don't think it's drag racing. We're gonna have to look for something else. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Jeremy from Wild Tech Designs. I'll see you guys in the next video.